yeah, thank you. I'm Wessel, and I'm here to tell something about the October 2023 firmware update we have for our NovaCustom Dasharo devices. I will tell something about the right to repair and what we are doing about this. So I will also talk about the anti-tamper solution. So let me introduce myself. I'm Wessel Snakenboog. I have established NovaCustom in 2015, but it is called NovaCustom since 2018. We are based in the Netherlands, and we offer highly customizable laptops with optionally custom laser engravings. We support both Windows and GNU Linux operating system, or even both at the same time as a dual boot option. We are very privacy and security focused, and we highly value the rights to repair and sustainability. You can hear more about it. You can read more about it at our website, configurelaptop.eu. Next slide, please. Perfect. Thank you. So I will tell about the right to repair and durability. We have some new physical privacy options. We have an anti-tamper solution, the physical anti-tamper solution that I would like to introduce. Then I will tell something about the new October 2023 firmware update. We are also working on HATS firmware, and I will give a bit of explanation about it and the benefits. I will let you know the current state of it and the costs. Then I will talk about our new feature plans, and I hope we can have some time for questions and answering after that. So about the right to repair and durability, what is NovaCustom doing about this? Well, we offer 3 years of warranty for our laptops and at least 5 years of firmware updates after the purchase of your new laptop. Besides, we also offer at least 7 years of guaranteed spare parts availability. And something new that we are doing right now is that we make pictures of the inside of the laptop, and we will publish these on our website so that potential customers can check how the laptop looks like from inside before buying it. So another thing that we do is that we are starting to make repair videos for all our laptops, starting with the NV41 series. Next slide, please. Thank you. We have some exciting new privacy options, which are an option for the camera and microphone module to be permanently removed. If you still need the internal webcam module, you can also opt for a camera slider pre-installed. We also have an option for a privacy screen to be pre-installed on the laptop. And the last new firmware, privacy option that we offer is anti-tampering solution, which is called Tamper Evidence Screws and Packaging. So this option consists of two things. There is a glitter substance that we apply on top of all screws, and this glitter substance leaves a certain glitter pattern, which is recognizable, and you can identify it. On the shipping boxes, we apply anti-tamper tape, which leaves an open print if it's being opened. And we do not only apply this anti-tamper tape on all shipping boxes and inner boxes, but also on the laptop protection plastic bag. Optionally, we can also send you PGB signed pictures of all screws via proton mail. And with this option, you can compare the glitter pattern of the screws with the PGB signed pictures, which were sent via proton mail. Next slide, please. So At this slide, you can see that at the same position with two different laptops, there is a different glitter pattern. Then I will tell something about the new NovaCustom Dasharo October 2023 update for our laptops. This is quite a big update with a lot of new features. One of these features is an option to set a UEFI password for the setup. Then we have SMN BIOS write protection. The firmware update also has introduced early boot DMA protection, which blocks memory access at an early boot stage. Then there is a new option for network and USB stack control, as well as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module switch. The new Tiger Lake, the new option for Intel ME disabling is now also available for the Tiger Lake laptops with an 11th generation Intel Core processor. This was already introduced for our Alder Lake models, but now it's also available for the Tiger Lake models. Then there is a camera switch option in the UEFI firmware, and the firmware has also been improved on the CPU throttling, which was basically set up to 90 degrees, which we think is a bit high. So we are now starting to throttle at around 75 degrees, and this should prevent overheating. Then there is a new firmware feature called battery charge thresholds and microcharging prevention, which is way better for the battery at the long term. Then there is official support for hibernation and also for suspend to run as free for our Tiger Lake laptops. And by the way, these Tiger Lake 11th generation is not in production anymore, but I still think this shows our commitment to even improve firmware for devices we do not sell any longer. And there is a new option which improves the stability of the laptop, which is called boot block when the battery charge is too low. We have improved docking station compatibility, and there is a new easy firmware update mode, which wherewith you can update your firmware with just a few keystrokes. Last but not least, Dasharo has introduced a new section in the documentation, which is called openness score. And I think Piotr will explain a bit more about this in another presentation. Can we get to the next slide, please? Thank you. Then I will tell something about Carbon Plus HATS, which we are working on. And so what is HATS? HATS is designed to protect the boot process. It is ensuring the system's firmware and boot integrity. And it does this with measured boot, which generates cryptographic hashes for each component. And it is using the TPM hardware to securely store and attest. So this creates a good chain of trust, and it is in fact perfect for operating systems that are not supporting secure boot like CubesOS. Next slide, please. So what is the current state of it? We are currently in the alpha testing phase, and I would be happy to show you a demonstration of this HATS firmware on the 7th of October during the CubesOS Summit. We are introducing this only at the NV41 series laptop, because this laptop is CubesOS certified and it supports Intel ME HTTP disabling as well as free suspend mode. So what will it cost? It will cost around 60 euros a year plus the VAT, and you can choose between 1, 2, or 3 years of subscription when purchasing. The current device owners can also upgrade, but the subscription does not mean it is automatically continued. In fact, it just means that if you do no longer have the package, the support, then no further updates and support can be given. You can still buy additional support once your subscription has been expired. So I would like to take this opportunity to encourage everyone to be active, and I would say let's solve firmware issues together. Then a bit about our new feature plans. So this year we will publicly release the October firmware update, which I talked about, and of course we will start selling the heads firmware option starting from probably tomorrow already. We'll have to finalize a few things on our website in order to offer this, and it is actually a part of the Dasharo entry subscription. That's the part the customers paying for. In 2024, probably in the second quarter, we will probably introduce some new models, including the 14th generation Meteor Lake processor. Some new models will come with this processor generation, and these will support DDR5 memory and PCIe 5. In the year 2024, we will also aim to support Dasharo for all the models that we offer, and we are considering to offer Intel boot cards, possibly being part of the Dasharo entry subscription, and capsule updates. We are also checking on the feasibility of that. So yeah, this was my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. And my question to you is, what firmware feature do you want? And I believe it's time for questions and further discussions. I'll check the chat.
Thank you, Wessel.